This is Abdul Majid from Easy English Classes. Today we are going to study a poem of 10th standard, that is Dust of Snow, which was written by Robert Frost. So he is a well-known American poet, and he is telling in this is a very brief poem, and this poem is telling that how the nature is beautiful, that we have to see, we need their eyes to see the beautiness in the nature. So let's see what is there in this short poem, how the poet is describing the nature. So he is telling, the main theme of the poem is he is telling that what the things we feel, that they are the sign of sadness, they are the sign of badness in our life, they also can bring the changes. So as the poet is very sad in this poem, and he is moving out of his house, and the weather is, it is a winter season and snow is falling. So let's see what the poem is about. The dust of snow. First of all, you will see the title. Dust is nothing but the snow particles को कहा गया, dust snowflakes को कहा गया, snowflakes. ये जो snowflakes होता है उसको dust कहा गया, dust of snow. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, डस्ट स्नो पड़ रहा है, और वो स्नो क्या कर रहा है, क्या चेंजेस ला रहा है इसकी लाइफ में, देखेंगे. चलिए. The way a crow shook down on me. As we know that crow is a very ugly creature. It is not having the beautiness anywhere in his appearance. It's a very black and very ugly creature. Then also it can bring the changes in the life that the poet is going to tell us here. Shook down on me the dust of snow. That as he is very sad and he is moving out of his house, and he sat under the hemlock tree, and at that time what happened, the dust of snow, which the dust particles settled on the tree, they fall over the Robert Frost. The dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree in North America. Poisonous tree, it is the name of a poisonous tree. It is we can find that a poisonous tree is nothing but it is a very, what do you call it, it is having no positivity, it is considered as the sign of badness. So that tree has brought some changes in his life, as he is sad, and the remaining part of the day he has sad for the part of the day, and when this incident happened, after that some changes occurred in his life. Let's see what the question will be asked to your examination. What did the crow do to the hemlock tree? What did it do? It shook the hemlock tree. What the poet is telling, that crow shook the hemlock tree. What was there on the tree at that time? At that time, what was there? At that time, the snowflakes or dust of snow is there on the hemlock tree. Where do you think was the poet then? The poet was under the tree. He was under the tree. Name the poem and the poet. The poem name is Dust of Snow, and the poet is Robert Frost. In the second stanza, the poet is telling, after the incident of falling the snow particles over him, what happened? Let's see. Given my heart a change of mood. क्या करता है? Has given my heart, मेरे heart को, heart जो sad था इसका, a change of mood, एक mood change दिया उसको. कौन सा इंसिडेंट? जहां पे जो स्नो पार्टिकल्स उसके बॉडी के ऊपर जब पड़ते हैं, उसको टच करते हैं, उस वक्त एक चेंज ऑफ मूड दे दिया, that incident, and saved some part of our day I had ruined. Ruined is nothing but destroyed. जो part of the day इसने destroy किया था, खराब कर दिया था, उस part of the day को इसने remaining part of the day था उसको save कर दिया. कौन? That snow, the particles of the snow, which are one of the natural part. So nature is free of cost. It can provide the happiness to us. That is the message the poet is giving here. And there is no need of having so much wealth to become happy. That he is showing here, and he is showing that don't think the things are ugly and they are not good for, they are not at all good for anything. So don't create such an image in your mind that a small thing can also change your mind, and that can also give the happiness. That message we are getting from this poem. Let's see the questions. What the questions will be asked on the second stanza. What had given the poet a change of mood? What had given a change of mood? The incident of falling the snow particles has given the change of mood to the poet. What had the poet thought of that day? The poet had thought of the day that the day is very sad. He thought that. How was some part of the day saved for the poet? How that part is saved? When that snow particles or snowflakes fall upon him, at the time he felt it touches his body and he felt like something fresh, and he got freshed. That the feeling comes to him. What is the rhyme scheme of this stanza? Let's see the rhyme scheme. Heart is here, part is here. They both are rhyming, so we will give it A and A. See, mood is B and rude is B. So what is the rhyming scheme? A B is the rhyming scheme of this poem. A B is the rhyming poem. And I hope that you have understood the message what the poet is trying to give us, that don't make a decision that this thing is good, this thing is bad. Nature is having so many beauty things in it, and that are enough to make us happy. Thank you for watching.